Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make Khaman, which is a spicy, savory snack. I've got my ingredients. This is 300 gram of gram flour. I've got a thumb of ginger. After crushing, it will be a tablespoon. And thereafter, I also got 2 green chillies that I'm going to also crush with my ginger. I have half a teaspoon of hurdee, 1 teaspoon of semolina, 1.5 teaspoon of fine salt. I also have 2 tablespoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 3/4 cup of water. I'm also going to use 4 teaspoons of Eno. Firstly, we're going to start off by crushing our ginger and chilies. Yeah, I crushed my ginger with my 2 green chilies. So, no matter which way you crush, the air of the ginger will still be there. Now I'm going to add this ginger and chilies to the gram flour. And then we are going to add in the rest of the ingredients together. I'm going to give this a whisk. My batter is ready. I am going to allow this to rest for 15 to 30 minutes and thereafter add my Eno. In the meantime, I'll also put my steamer to boil. 15 minutes has passed and I'm ready to add in my Eno, which is 4 teaspoons. I've got my 4 teaspoon Eno measured onto this plate and I'm going to work very fast. I'm going to add in my Eno to the batter and whisk in one direction for 40 seconds. As you can see, the batter is rising with the effect of the Eno. Now I'm going to add this into my baking container, which I put spray and cook to it. Yeah, I got a pot stand and I've got water. So I'm going to put this into the pot. And as you can see, I tied up my lid with my cheesecloth. And I'm going to put something heavy upon this so the steam won't escape. And the cheesecloth is to keep the steam from not falling back into the batter. We'll give this 25 minutes, but we'll keep checking on our water. While my Khaman is steaming, these are my ingredients for my braising, of which I'm going to add on top of the Khaman. I have here 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of sesame seed, 2 teaspoons of mustard seed, 2 green chillies, and a little bit of curry leaf. And then to garnish, I've got dhania. So when it's cooling down, I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you like it sweet, you can add in another teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now I'm ready to braise because the braising has to cool down completely. I've got my stove on low heat. To my frying pan, I'm going to add in the oil. First, I'll add in my sesame seed to fry out. And then my dried chilies. My green chilies. And to this, I'm also going to add in my curry leaf. And my mustard seed. I'm going to switch my stove off and allow this to cool down. Now that my braise has cooled down a little, so I'm going to add in my salt and my sugar and my lemon juice. And then my water. And I'll mix this up properly. Now we'll allow this to cool completely. 25 minutes has passed and we are ready to check. See, it's done. So now I am ready to switch my stove off and remove my Khaman and put it onto a cooling rack. Here's my Khaman on the rack. I'm going to give it half an hour to cool and then I'll be able to cut. My Khaman has cooled down and Pranesh helped me to cut. You can also cut it in squares and also bake it in a square tin. Now I'm ready to sprinkle in my syrup. And I'll allow this to seep in. And then we'll be ready to serve. And I'm also going to garnish it with some chopped dhania. We are going to give it a few more minutes to seep in and then we're ready to serve. Here you go, your Khaman, a spicy, delicious snack served with a lovely cup of chai. We will link the chai recipe. This is a more complicating recipe, but worth the effort. I hope you'll give it a shot. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.